Welcome! In this video, we will be showing you how to get a Vircle Visa Card. Please note that the Vircle Visa Card is only available to Vircle Club members. Here's how you can get a Vircle Club membership for your child. Visit our website at www.vircle.com. Tap on the hamburger menu and tap on Vircle Club. Scroll down until you see the button, Subscribe to Vircle Club now. Tap on it. Fill in your personal details, full name, phone number, email, date of birth, and nationality. Make sure you tick the checkboxes before tapping on Continue. Choose Annual Plan. Fill in your child's name as per IC, and choose any of the free card designs. If you have multiple children, tap on Plus Add Child. When you are done, continue to checkout. Fill in your delivery details. Tap on Continue. Choose your delivery method and fill out your billing address before clicking Place Order and Pay. Complete your payment online. Once payment is successful, you should receive an order confirmation email, and your card should arrive at your delivery address within 14 days. What to do when your Visa card arrives? Step 1. Register a Vircle account. Search for the Vircle app in the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Install the app. Register a new account by tapping on Sign Up here. Fill in all necessary details about yourself. Tick the checkbox showing you agree to our terms and conditions. Tap on Next. Activate your principal wallet and fill in additional details about yourself. Tap on Continue when done. Create a 6-digit PIN number. This PIN number will be used whenever you want to access security and card configurations. If you see this screen, you now have a Vircle account with a basic wallet. Next, you will need to activate your child's Vircle Visa Card. This leads us to Step 2. Add a child account. If you are still on the congratulations screen, tap on Plus Add My Child to Vircle. Back in the home screen, tap on Add Child Now or tap on Add Child. Fill in all necessary details. Child name, nationality, IC number, and date of birth. Tap on Next when done. If you see this screen, your child has been successfully added to Vircle. They now have their own supplementary wallet where you can transfer funds from your principal wallet. Step 3. Upgrade your Vircle wallet and verify your identity. Basic wallets are for parents who have children attending schools supplemented with Vircle services. Premium wallets are upgrades to allow Visa services on your account. As we are regulated under Bank Negara Malaysia, you must verify your identity before using our Visa services according to the anti-money laundering regulations. In the home screen, tap on Upgrade Wallet. Confirm your details according to your IC. Tap on Update Profile when done. Fill in your occupation and nature of business, and tap on Submit. A step-by-step guide will be provided to you when undergoing the identity verification process. Things required are your IC and permission for Vircle to use your phone's camera to conduct the live selfie test. Follow the process as instructed by the Vircle app and confirm the address written in your IC. Tap on Submit when done. Please wait up to 5 minutes as the application will need to verify your identity. Do not close the app during this process as it will interfere with the verification process. If the initial verification process has failed, our team will manually verify your information, which takes up to 2 to 3 working days. You will see this screen if your wallet has successfully upgraded to a premium wallet. Step 4. Link your Vircle Visa Card to your child. In the home screen, look under Family Accounts and select your child. Already have your Visa card, link it to your child and activate now. Tap on the button in this banner. Tap on Link My Card and scan the back of your Vircle Visa Card. If the camera is not able to read the card, or you prefer linking the card manually, tap on Can Scan, enter card details manually. Create a 6-digit PIN number for the card. Confirm your child's details, and tick the checkbox confirming that the details provided are accurate. You will see this screen if your card has successfully linked to your child's account. That is all. You now have a functional Vircle Visa card by being a Vircle Club member. From this point on, we will be showing you how to get a working Vircle Visa card through the Vircle app. However, we do recommend getting a Vircle Visa card through our website instead, since the website provides the most convenient way to obtain a Vircle Visa card. Getting a Vircle Club membership through the app. First, you will have to install the Vircle app, register a Vircle account, add a child, and upgrade your wallet as shown in Step 1 till Step 3 earlier. After completing Step 3, proceed to Step 4, applying for Visa prepaid card and app. In the home screen, look under Family Accounts and select your child. Tap on Apply for Visa prepaid card. Choose either annual plan or monthly plan. Give your child's card a name for easy identification. Confirm your child's details and tick the checkbox confirming that the details provided are accurate. Provide your delivery address. Tap on Submit to proceed. The Vircle app will confirm your details one last time. If everything is correct, tick the checkbox to confirm you've read, understood, and agree to our terms and conditions and product disclosure sheet. Next, tap on Confirm and make payment. If you see this window, it means your principal wallet has insufficient balance for the payment. Your principal wallet serves as your parent wallet and will be used for subscription renewals and providing allowances to your children. Tap on Top Up Now and enable location access when using the app. As we are regulated under Bank Negara Malaysia, we need to ensure your location is visible when making in-app payments. Fill in your payment method. Choose between online banking or debit/credit card payment. Once there is balance in your principal wallet, tap on Confirm and make payment. This screen confirms your payment was successful. Now, simply wait for your card to arrive within 14 days. Once it arrives, proceed to Step 5, link your Vircle card to your child. In the home screen, look under Family Accounts and select your child. Select Manage Card and select the Visa card banner. Select Activate Physical Card and scan the back of your Vircle Visa card. You can also enter your card details manually to link your card. Create a 6-digit PIN number for the card. You will see this screen if your card has successfully linked to your child's account. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped you in getting a Vircle Visa card for your child by signing them up as a Vircle Club member. Check out our other tutorial videos to explore our amazing features, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. Sign up for Vircle today and empower your child's financial journey.
Vircle, let your kids pay.